y'all better pay attention to the camera, guys. How you doing? This is Birdman316 here. Check it out. Check it out. I'm not totally finished with it yet. I decided to leave this in there. I just need to get some sandpaper and scuff the top of it and get something to make it more like this color. I found me a beige switch tip and I modified it and made it fit on that switch there. So, and there's the mod switch right there. I'll go through all the settings. We're in the middle setting now. We're in both these pickups, but we're on the back coil of this one. Speaking of the back coil, this one's have it all the way back on that position for this one, but the switch is there, meaning we're right on this back half. Now check how much twang this thing has. Sounds, if you didn't know any better, you'd think it would be a Telecaster. Check that. Twang. Now up here, we're skipping the middle position because I'm going to show you something. Wrong button there. This one here, it sounds more like a Strat on the bridge, but this coil right here on the back, it sounds, to me, it sounds like it's got some twangage going on. Now let's say someone's making fun of your guitar. Oh, that's a little bitty, that's a kid's guitar, that thing can't be all that great. We'll put this switch right here in this position right here, put on some overdrive, and this of course, we don't have any distortion on right now, but I'm just demonstrating the full bodiness of a humbucker all the way. And what's so sweet about this setup here is you can have this as a full humbucker, flip it here, just have this part, flip it all the way back there, and just have that part. That right there, my friends, is 3 tones out of 1 pickup. With this switch here, you have 6, because this pickup here is going to sound a little bit different with that coil, and with both coils. That's 6 tones. Flip this all the way up here, boom! That by itself makes number 7. And yes, you can add switches and make even more tones out of phase and all that stuff. I just prefer all my stuff in phase and still have 7 tones. I mean, when this thing was new, it only had 3 tones. Well, yeah, 3 tones. You get 3 tones, you get that, and both. That's it. That's all you get. Too bad. Get out of here. You ain't getting nothing else. But add this. If your humbucker has 4 wires, if it doesn't, you got to unwrap some kind of tape around the bobbins or whatever like that, and poke around and dig and hope you get the right wire in there. Don't worry about that. Just get you a humbucker. You can get them all day long on eBay for less than 20 bucks. A good Alnico. This probably right here is a ceramic magnet, but that's okay. It's okay. No problem. You can get a nice either ceramic magnet or a Alnico magnet for 20, 25 bucks all day long on eBay. Get them in white. Get them in black. You can get them chrome covered or zebra. Zebra meaning one part's that color and the other part's black. Let us play a little bit on the, well, this switch right here doesn't have anything to do with this, with the switch right here, but I don't know why I touched that. But anyway, I'm just moving on here. And here is the neck pickup. volumes, correct? I do. Let's add a little bit of drive here. We're on the pop rock. This sounds nice and mellow. It's a 65 Fender reissue, gray bottom, you know, the bottom part where your bolts go. It's supposedly a surfy pickup, 65 reissue. Let's give it just a little bit more drive. Make sure I have all my stuff. Everything's good. One more click on this pop rock. Got a little more. Mellow sounding there. Let's go one more. I'm not sure what this is. Now this is some pretty dirty stuff here. Check it out. Sure what setting that is. Let's see here. Oh, wait a minute. This is the very end overdrive right here, I think this is called mud. I'm not sure. Some crazy stuff there. Let's put it on this setting right here, all the way on the end. And let's put this in full humbucker mode. And you want to melt someone's face out? Check this out. Yeah, it's pretty mean. Don't let someone say that is a weak guitar, it ain't no good, it's a little kid's guitar, but don't let it fool you. You get something like this and mod it. Make it your own. That's the name of the game. You get something, fix it how you want it. Who cares what other people say? It's okay, don't worry about it. It doesn't matter. Let's get rid of some of that. It's going kind of crazy here. Let's go one notch. This is mild overdrive here on the humbucker all by itself. this coil with the same overdrive. Let's go to the back coil. How long will that last? It's fading. It's fading. Come back. Ah, well. That's the weird thing about this pop rock. It's a great little device, but the sustain doesn't last a long time. But for less than $40, everyone needs at least one pop rocker. I'm no expert guitar player or anything. I just like to have fun. And this little thing has come a long ways. I think it sounds pretty good. Well, I think it sounds really good. But anyway, guys, that was Birdman V16 rambling and goofing off. And of course, I got the 60 cycle hum shirt on representing. Alright. Okay, guys. I would like everyone to do me a huge favor. Have a great day. Have a great night wherever you are. Sayonara.